So remember where we started was this piece here, inaccessible maths, okay? We're giving it to a student and we're saying, please complete this. Might be in a PDF, might be in a Google Doc, a Word document. It's not accessible and it's not necessarily easy to get back to you digitally. So how could we change that? Well, very simply, I'm going to show you how to use Google Forms, okay? So Google Forms. So all I've done here is started that little bit of text that you saw at the outside of that box. So that's all I've done. Just copied and pasted that text and the question, okay? This is just a blank Google form. But before Equatio, there was no way to put maths in Google Forms with any accuracy. Yes, you could grab a screenshot, but again, that's not accessible. It's not editable. It's not flexible. You can't change anything within it. But what we could do is we could use the same tools that I've showed you in the toolbar, and we could add maths into a form. So let me show you how we could do that. Okay. So we want to go back to our original question, our inaccessible question. We're going to go to our, what do we say, our screenshot reader, and we're going to just capture that maths. Okay. So this is derivative function f of x is defined in equation 1. I'm going to copy that as LaTeX, just like we've done loads of times before. All I need to do now in my form is click the blue Equatio button. Okay. And I am going to pop in here by pasting the maths that I just captured. Okay. And if I insert it into my form, now what you're going to see is that beautiful maths inserted into the form correctly and accurately. Now, if I wanted to redo that, and you can imagine what's coming next for each of the questions, all I would need to do here, and I'll just do the first two here, is go and highlight the first question. Then I'd press copy LaTeX. I'm going to go back to my form up here. I'm going to insert this just by pressing my button. I'm in my LaTeX already. I'm pressing paste, and then I'm inserting my maths content directly in there. Okay. And let's do one last one for luck. So I'll click on my question. I'm going to go back to this document here, this inaccessible. And remember, this could be from a web page or from a PDF or even from a video. It doesn't matter where you get this from. This can be anywhere. This just happens to be the first example that we used. So I can go here and we'll take this, this one here and we'll grab it. Okay. So we'll grab this maths piece. Looks perfect to me. Copy LaTeX. Back to the form, and now I'm going to click in here. I'm going to paste. So I'm just pressing Control V, paste that in, and now I have it in. So with just a couple of clicks, I can go anywhere. I can draw a box, I can grab the maths, and I can put it into a form. And again, I've put this in particularly large lettering just so it's easy for us all to see on this demo. You can change the level of the formatting as you go. But now we've been able to put much more complex maths than we've never been able to put before into a Google form. And if you think about a student's eye view of this, just to wrap up. So at this point, a student has the capability now. You've sent them this form, okay? You've given them the standard derivative function. Now you want them to answer it, okay? So if you want them to answer this at this stage, this is the student eye view. They can press the blue button, okay? They can open up Equatio. So all the things we've learned today, they can start to type directly within here. And they can start to move across and just type naturally directly into this document, okay? And when they press insert maths, that's going to go in as the answer on the form. They can do multiple lines of working out. You could set this up as a quiz so it automatically marks and gives them feedback as well. So there are many ways to do this.